Thanks for tuning in, guys, and today's video is going to be on how to fix a dog tracking truck. Dog tracking is when your truck drives down the road and goes sideways. There can be a couple causes for this. Thankfully, this one is simple to fix on this little S10. Now, I ain't did much to this little S10 since I first showed you back a couple months ago. I did put a grill in it and changed the headlights, tail lights, and put a set of mirrors on it with new tires and rims. But that being said, let's go over here and I'll show you the problem with S10. Could be your S10 problem too, if you got one of these. But that S10's wheel looks pretty good, don't it? To the untrained eye. Now this one looks perfect. If you get over here and look at this wheel, get down here, that's nice. That's pretty damn nice. Now let's go over here and look. Boom. When my buddy, I got this truck off of lower this, he was drunk. He ain't gonna lie, he was pretty drunk. And they took the springs out of it so it rides like shit. It's a poor man's lowering kit. But it was not centered up. The lowering block is not on the center pin that goes up through the spring here. So it's actually got a hole that sets down into, then it's got an opening square cut on the blocks, and they just got it over some. So the simple fix for us to do this, for this dog tracking truck, is just pick it up and center it up and drop it back down. Now if you lowered your truck, you might have this problem. This video might be tons helpful. If it's doing it for another reason, you could have bad spring bushings back in here for your leaf springs. That would cause one to dog track, and the pin that's in the rear end could actually cause it to dog track too and be broke. They couple of reasons, but if you lowered your truck, it's probably the most common one, especially if you're drunk. So let's go ahead and fix it. So jack your truck up. I put mine on the front of the spring here. Got the wheel completely off the ground. The front of the truck is scotched. Now you want to do this on concrete, and make sure you put a jack stand under it so it don't fall down and kill you. Well, I'm not going to use a jack stand, but don't mean you shouldn't. Do as I say, not as I do. So let's continue. So let's go ahead and get under the truck. Our truck is pretty good. We got the normal zip ties, the brand new Flowmaster exhaust, a nice rear end here, and as you can see, the truck ain't very rusty neither. It's got a nice frame and stuff under it. It's a very good truck to be from Kentucky. Bushing is still good on the shocks and stuff, but we got 4 bolts right here. They will need to be loosened so we can move this block right here. Sorry if the camera's out of focus. It's hard for me to focus with one hand. So we need to move this block here and loosen these 4 bolts up so we can pick the rear end up and scoot it forward like it needs to be done. So go ahead and loosen or take off your bolts completely, all 4 of them. I just loosened these enough so I can move this bracket. Now once that's moved, you will need another jack to set on the corner of this rear end here, so this rear end will go up so you can move this block. Well, they took the pin out, boys. That explains a lot. Well, it's simple fix. I'll show you how to do that here in a second. There should be wear points on this leaf spring, so let's go ahead and lower it down, boss. Take your wheel off. When you're dealing with this, there's a wear point right here on that spring, if you can see it. Right there. That's about every bit of an inch. That's where you need it. You need it there because that's where this perch up here, this little perch used to set right here. So you need to move it level with what it used to be. If you got to move that side an inch, well, this side is out too. Just a smidge, not as bad, but in order to move out what we need, we got to cock it some, because this wheel is actually set inward like this more instead of outward. So go ahead and loosen this side too. Fuck it, take your wheel off.
Any way we can just take them blocks up? You wouldn't have your joints, would you?
We could take the blocks completely out, but that will actually the way you got this set up, these springs will probably be worse off because they got the coils cut in the front too. So if I'm gonna keep this truck, I'm going to bag it. Sorry guys, I was talking to Bryce, but once you get that, you can pretty well line them up with your old marks on your leaf springs if they sealed off. If not, you can actually
through the middle of the leaf spring to hold it like a coach spring.
Yeah, the spring goes through the middle when they took the spring out.
They took the pin out.
Yeah, they took the pin out. I seen people take these leaf springs off, guys. I was talking to Bryce again, but they take and they weld the pin in it, so you don't have this alignment issue. So if you do this, weld your pin in it, modify it so it'll work. Now we got all the measurements. I went from that bolt here to here, and my back spacing is correct with the spring in another spot I've been measuring. So both sides is equal and the same, and it's centered up good, so we should be good to put our wheels back on and tighten everything up. So let's give it a try and see how it looks. So that's pretty much it. We got the wood end all centered up, equal on both sides. The wheel spacing and everything is the back spacing back at your forge. It turned out great. The truck actually drives a little bit better now. It don't drive sideways. You can't ask for much more. Brand new tires on it. The new rims need some hubcaps or paint them maybe red. Ain't sure yet. On tell them what happened to this little truck. You guys know me. And it might be in somebody else's home before soon. So if you enjoyed this video and found it any bit helpful, if you lowered your truck and it's driving sideways, maybe that's what's the matter with it. Give you some ideas how to fix that by putting the pin back through it. You know, they tons of stuff you can help to prevent that. Now, if you did find that helpful, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and for more videos, hit that notification bell. I'll see you again. Thanks for watching.